Hi students, welcome to Computer Science Students. We are going to see about main project, mini project ideas. So this is student attendance management system for school or college. Introduction. So the concept is to make a attendance system for school or college. So if you are going to adapt it for a school, consider it for students from 1 to 10 standard. Or for college, you can consider uh, multiple systems from there. So like if it is an engineering college, you can find many degrees inside this one. So based on the categories, you can specialize these categories. And if it's an arts and science college, you can specialize it's like arts and science degrees based on that one. So we are now consider it for a school. So I am giving this example for a school only. So each class will have certain number of students and each section will have certain number of classes. So we need to handle the session for the project because each teacher can take the project and put attendance for each project. So we should have hierarchy for users so that the admin team can view some extra pages and have some extra actions. Teachers can have one level of access to edit each day's attendance, and parents can have only access to put the attendance register students register number and see their children's status. So likewise, it will be built. RDBMS. So for these kind of systems, we need to be very strong in the RDBMS concepts. So we need to choose some good database for the selection because many of the data of our project are going to be handled by the RDBMS only. So we can have multiple tables and we have multiple data selections. We have multiple primary key, foreign key associations. So for handling all those things, we should need some good database. So I have given 4 databases for your reference. The first one is MySQL. So it is easy to use and easy to learn. So it's a good choice for beginners. And you can go for Oracle if you have been having a good idea on Oracle and if you want a good strong database management. So and you need a strong RDBMS, you can go for this particular kind of Oracle databases, but it's costly. So manage based on that one. And next one is PostgreSQL. So it is similar to MySQL. Most of the organizations based on the governments are using this PostgreSQL only. And MongoDB is a good choice when we want to need document based storage like NoSQL concept instead of the regular SQL based structure. Technical stuff. So the technical stuff side, we can use Java as your programming language. So you can use the backend code. Java is for writing the basic code, and Spring Boot you can choose for the framework, which will be providing you the front end and back end management will be done by Spring Boot itself. You can collaborate with the MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle are the best choices for RDBMS. So this is a good stuff of package. So for the back end, you are going to use RDBMS as MySQL or PostgreSQL or Oracle, and Spring Boot as the front end back end framework, and basic code ratings everything we can done with the Java itself. Technical stuff, PHP. So PHP is a good choice when you don't want to make complications on your coding standard. So you have a basic coding standard, and you can say like, sir, I don't have that much coding standard. I have a few coding standard, and I just wanted to develop an application very easily and very cost effectively with less cost of time. I wanted to do that. So you can go for PHP. So it will give you the HTML file so that you can include your PHP code on inside that one. But you need definitely a server for that. You can use a WAMP server or XAMPP servers to run your applications, and you can choose MySQL or as your choice for the RDBMS. So it will best fit with the MySQL. So if you are not stuff with the frameworks and all, you can directly go for the PHP alone. Or if you have good knowledge to develop yourself on any frameworks, you can go for Laravel like that. So it will give you more confidence on developing your applications. I have provided some sample screens here. So this screen is UI designed for the teacher's principal screen for attendance. So the name of the students will be listed in the left side, and you have the dates, and you can choose the class name, and you can choose the section, and you can choose the month which you are going to apply for, and you have a notes column at the end. So you can put note and total present, total absent is there. So for each student you can put P or A. Based on that, the last column will automatically calculate. You have to write something like that. So it will automatically calculate how many days the particular students are present for the particular day, and how many days the particular students are on leave. And for a particular days of student, you can also add columns like how many days he is present, how many days he is leave, like that you can make. UI design. So this is for parent screen for attendance search for children. So parent can access this site and they can just give the register number of a particular student, and they can search the children's attendance, and they can find the student's name, attendance per month, number of days present, number of days absent, and other details which you want, you can provide here itself. Students admission form, so attendance. So this is like whenever you want to add a student to a class, so you can use this particular form. So you can add your name, father's name, IRS of admission, mother's name, class teacher name, and section, extra class details, gender details, GOB, fees info, permanent address, communication address, anything details you can want, and you can just click by clicking a create new section and student detail, you can easily add these details, and these details should be available in the first UI page that I have shown for the particular class. You can add any other screens also if you want, and you can make that more viable to the users. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Students at CSC.